Today, even a 13-year-old can tell you what to eat, how much water to drink to keep your body functioning properly. But what that functioning properly is all about? It is the immune system. Now, what is this immune system? It is our body's ability to fight with all the invaders, infections that are going around. It is time when your immune system, your disease fighting ability, the system that determines how strong you are, how capable your bodies are to fight all the infections, has gained lot of importance. Now, what are the components of this immune system? The immune system basically comprises of a cardiovascular system and a lymphatic system. Lymphatic system has got lot of lymph nodes, which are the centers where all the fighting happens between the invaders and the white blood cells. Now, as the fighting happens, lots and lots of debris is produced, and this debris, to move these debris, we have lymphatic fluid, which takes all the unwanted toxic debris away from our cells. There is a major difference between the cardiovascular system and the lymphatic system. Cardiovascular system has got its own pump, which pumps the blood throughout the body. But the lymphatic system has got no pump, and it has to work 24/7 to remove the debris from the body. So here our movement is very important. Movement is in fact medicine. As we move the different muscles in our body, they pump the lymphatic fluid to do its work. We will see 10 different exercises that will activate all the lymph nodes and help the lymphatic fluid to flow throughout the body and do their work. There are 6 major regions where most lymph nodes are located. So first we will cover the cervical region. In this region, first we'll do the punishment that we got as children. You hold your earlobes and pull them down. Release, down, release, pull. So this exercise you can do for around 2-3 minutes, and this will activate all your lymph nodes that are in front of your ears and behind the ears. Second exercise is you pedal your ears. Just circulate anti-clockwise and clockwise. Again around 2-3 minutes. So these are 2 exercises that will activate all your lymph nodes around the ears. There are a lot of lymph nodes in the neck region. So we will do neck rolls. 10 neck rolls clockwise and 10 neck rolls anti-clockwise. Fourth and fifth exercises are for the neck region as well as your armpits. There are a lot of lymph nodes. Basically for females they are really important to be activated. What we need to do is just breathe in. Take your shoulders up. Breathe out. And holding your breath, you just move your shoulders with force. Up and down, up and down, up and down. All this holding your breath. All the rotator joints have got a lot of lymph nodes. So the fifth exercise, just move your shoulders clockwise, 5 times clockwise, 5 times anti-clockwise, and 3 sets of the same again. Next 2 exercises impact our thoracic cavity and the abdominal cavity. The biggest pump is the diaphragm. So how you move this diaphragm is our age-old Kapalbhati pranayama. You take your breath in and then you breathe out with a jerk. You breathe in such that your stomach comes out, and you breathe out completely with a jerk that your stomach flaps in, right? So you do 20 breaths and 20 to 25 breaths and 3 sets of the same. 7th exercise is Agnisar. What we do here is we breathe in so that your stomach comes out completely. Then you breathe out completely and flap posture, holding your breath. Next region is the inguinal and the groin region, right? So what we do is we take our feet together. Now you may not be able to take it very close to your body. It is as far as you can take it. You take it close and then flap. Again you do 20 flaps, 3 sets. Now the thing is, stress is inversely proportional to immunity. So as you feel the stress, stretch your smile all the more. That will just get all the stress out of your system. Ninth exercise, we do lying down. It is for the rotator joint of the groin. We will raise our legs and rotate them. 5 circles clockwise and 5 circles anti-clockwise. 3, 4, 5. And we do 3 sets of the same with both legs. Last exercise we do standing. Our bodies have to do a lot of work to move the lymphatic fluid up towards the body against the gravity and without a pump, as you know. So here the calf muscle plays a big role. You see the bulk here? We got to move this calf muscle. So what we do is we just move our weight on the toes and on the heels. This exercise is also important for all those people who suffer with swelling in the feet. So you do this exercise again, 20 rounds 3 times. This is a time when we are not able to move out so frequently. So this set of 10 exercises will help your body boost and cheer your soldiers that are fighting the battle 24/7. So just move and remain vibrant and fit.